Reviewing an unfamiliar repository usually starts with one expensive question. Where should I look first? Before a real review begins, you're scanning files, following imports, and trying to separate meaningful risk from background noise. RepoLens turns that noise into prioritized evidence. It gives reviewers orientation first, then helps them select a file, inspect the static evidence behind it, and go deeper only when there's a reason. RepoLens reads JavaScript and TypeScript source without executing repository code. I'll load the bundled demo repository. In a moment, it builds a review queue from deterministic static evidence. Instead of asking me to scan everything, it brings the files with the strongest review signals forward. I'll open this high-evidence file first. Here I can see the evidence that made this file worth reviewing: the static findings, their measurements, and the exact source range behind each signal. The point is not to declare the code broken. It's to make the reviewer's first decision legible, and to keep the reasoning visible instead of hiding it behind an opaque score. Next, I'll select the flagged function. RepoLens exposes AST-derived metrics for this specific unit, such as its length, branching, and import context. That turns a vague concern into a focused place to investigate, discuss, and test. For deeper exploration, RepoLens offers Deep Analysis. This optional step uses GPT 5.4 Mini to generate source-grounded review hypotheses, questions, possible failure modes, and test ideas. These are prompts for a reviewer to verify, not an automated verdict, and they never change the static score. When I export the report as Markdown, the deterministic static evidence and the optional AI hypotheses stay clearly separated. That makes the review easier to share without confusing evidence with conclusions. I built RepoLens with Codex as a collaborator throughout the implementation. The goal is simple: help reviewers see the code that matters, follow the evidence, and review with intent.